Hi, I'm Bodhi Joshua. Welcome to my spiritual closet. This video is going to be an astral projection tutorial, and we're going to do it in 5 easy steps. First step, set and setting. This is a very important step. Set up your bedroom. Clean your room. Set your room in order. Make sure everything is nice and neat. Have incense. I don't recommend lighting candles because you might fall asleep. Clear the room of any old energy. Don't have any trash laying around. Make it to where it's pristine, like your mama's coming to look at it. Like your grandma's coming over and she's going to look in your room. Step 2. Clear your mind of the day. As you're laying down and your head hits that pillow, start to clear your mind of the day. Begin from the moment your head hit the pillow and work backwards as far as you can, going back in the timeline of your day. Bring yourself all the way back to the time that you woke up. Now, don't get hung up on too many of the details. Keep moving down through your day. Don't stay in one point. Move forward, move reverse through your day, going back to the moment you woke up. Number 3, set your intention. Say, is that my belly? What if you can hear that? 3, set your intention. Set your intention that you want to astral travel, that you want to astral project. Bring yourself there. Keep it in your mind. My personal flavor of setting an intention is I set my intention to experience whatever I need to come to the highest version of myself. Become the truest version of me. Whatever will bring me to that point in my life, that's the information I want to receive. That's where I want to be taken. That's where I want to go. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to experience. Step 4, focus. Focus on your breath and your intention. These are the only 2 things that should be in your mind, allowing your body to go to sleep and your mind to stay awake, focusing on breathing and your intention to astral travel. The breath technique I recommend is what I call AC breathing. It makes the AC sine wave. There's no stop in the breath. You're breathing in, out, in, out. Don't hold your breath, just let it naturally flow in and out. And as much as you can, equalize the length of the inhale to the length of the exhale. Make it be 4 counts in, 4 counts out. However you want to do it, try to equalize the 2 halves of the breath. But don't stop in the middle. Don't stop at the end. Keep that motion going and focus on that. You want to completely relax your body and have your hands by your side. Now I mean completely relax. Start with your feet, work your way up through your legs, all the way up to your head, relaxing each part of your body. Pay special attention to your neck and your shoulder region, as we hold a lot of tension there throughout the day. Relax each and every one of those muscles. The final part of the 4th step is don't move. For real, don't move. Keep your body so still. Focus on your breath and hold your body still, allowing your body to go to sleep and your mind to stay awake. The 5th and final step is feel the buzz and take the ride. If you can hold your body completely still and focus on your breath for at least 10 minutes, what will begin to happen is called the buzz. It's a vibrational state that overtakes your entire body. It might take some getting used to, but you can totally do this. Comment down below if you've ever done this and felt this feeling right before you've done any kind of astral travel. Now, while this vibrating is happening, you could become disassociated with your body. Like for me, how I know that I'm about to astral travel is I can't differentiate my hands from the rest of my body. I can't know where they begin and know where they end. I can't tell where they actually are on the end of my arm. This is an interesting feeling that I've noticed, but it happens every time, so it's a telltale sign that I'm about to go. Here's the signal, here we go. During this stage, don't get distracted. Don't let your mind wander. Focus on your breath. Maintain that inhalation and that exhalation. a smooth cycle of the breath in and out. The only other thing you should focus on is your intention to actually astral travel, for you to go and experience what your highest self wants you to experience in this lifetime, to remind you why you're here, to show you the information that you need to see for your highest good. Keep breathing, maintain your focus, and let the projection take you. Let yourself go. Let your mind escape your body. Let your consciousness leave this vehicle and go traveling through the cosmos. Now, there are many realms that we are able to travel through astral projection. There are many beings that you can meet. In my next video, I'm going to be doing the Astral Guardian, so if you want, I'm going to link that down below. Check it out. There are so many experiences waiting for you outside of this realm, and these experiences can bring you to the highest expression of you, to the highest expression of your truest self. Knowing that you're a cosmic being in a physical body is liberating. It lets you know that there's more to this world than what we have been programmed to believe. It allows you to find the truest expression of yourself. It allows you to have experiences that will awaken your soul, that will awaken your mind, and will allow you to take the next step in your journey to become the highest version of yourself. I hope this video brought you some value, and if it did, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me? And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions on the technique, comment down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram at BodhiJoshua. I will respond. So again, my name is Bodhi Joshua, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. It's a short one. I like short ones.